my name is Christina Govinda with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make wall hangings and decor for a baby nursery. Everyone has different preferences when it comes to baby nurseries. However, I prefer to treat a baby nursery like any room in the house, a mixture of old and new that tells a story rather than a strict theme. I think that grows better with the baby and it can be more fun. So I like to pick a theme and then work around it. Here's a couple ideas for handmade projects for your baby's room. For these decoration ideas, I'm using a lot of primary colors, and this is an old doll that was made by my great-grandmother, and you can make something similar very easily or use something that you already have at home that's special to you. A few more options are using books that are really cute as decoration on shelves, or you can even frame them. You can frame the whole book, or you can find pages inside the book that you like, cut them out and frame them. This is one example of a page from a book that I really like that's framed. You can do sets of pictures that are framed in similar frames or the same color frames or even matching, and then do an art wall. Another idea is to either make a quilt or have a quilt made for your baby. You can use this or you can hang it on the wall. They make nice wall hangings, especially if you make them a size up for like a twin bed, and then hang them on the wall until your baby's ready for it. And this is a super simple idea. I just found a free vector printable that I put into a word processor and then typed in my son's name using a color that matches a color in the image, printed it off on some cardstock and framed it. Today I'm going to show you how to make framed wall art from a book using things that you already have at home. For this project, you'll need a couple of matching or coordinating frames, a paper grocery sack, a straight edge to use as a ruler, a pair of scissors, tape, and the pages from a book that you want. First thing I'm going to do is cut a panel out of the paper from my paper sack and use this piece from the back of the frame as a template to trace and cut out the size of paper that I need. Once you have your brown background cut out, use tape to fasten your page onto the paper. Try not to use glue because even sometimes stick glue will make a wrinkly mark on certain papers. Once you have it done, lay your frame face down. Put your paper into the frame and then lay your back piece on. And then go ahead and secure your frame. This is an easy way to personalize your baby's decor. With these, you can stand them on shelves, you can set them on bookcases, or you can hang them on a wall. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to make wall hangings and decor for a baby nursery.